Vocabulary, antonyms. An antonym is a word that is opposite in meaning to another word. Here is a list of some words and their antonyms. Absence, presence. Despair, hope. Accept, refuse. Diseased, healthy. Always, never. Dismal, cheerful. Ancient, modern. Dusk, dawn. Ascend, descend. Ebb, flow. Attack, defend. Entrance, exit. Attractive, repulsive. Excited, calm. Bend, straighten. End, beginning. Blunt, sharp. Exterior, interior. Bitter, sweet. Fail, succeed. Borrow, lend. Famous, unknown. Combine, separate. Fat, thin. Common, rare. Fine, loose. Cruel, kind. First, last. Courteous, rude. Freedom, slavery. Danger, safety. Fold, unfold. Decrease, increase. Frequent, seldom. Demand, supply. Forget, remember. Gentle, rough. Odd, even. Fresh, stale. Offer, refuse. Generous, mean. Peace, war. Gather, distribute. Plentiful, scare. Glad, sorry. Powerful, weak. Gloomy, cheerful. Polite, rude. Granted, refused. Rapid, slow. Guest, host. Scatter, collect. Guilty, innocent. Simple, complicated. Hasten, dawdle. Slim, stout. Height, depth. Straight, crooked. Humble, proud. Success, failure. Imprison, free. Transparent, opaque. Inferior, superior. Truth, lie. Join, separate. Vacant, occupied. Knowledge, ignorance. Victory, defeat. Long, short. Virtue, vice. Loud, soft. Wax, wane. Low, high. Wisdom, folly. Loyal, disloyal. Yesterday, tomorrow. Write the antonym of the highlighted word in the blank. 1. The maths problem was very simple to solve. 2. The class was very noisy at lunch. 3. I was scared on seeing the large spider. 4. The dog is not friendly. 5. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. 6. She has got a permanent position at the school. 7. Combine milk and eggs first. 8. This is a blunt knife. 9. The farmer scattered the seeds in the field. 10. The judge found him guilty. 11. Don't dawdle. Be quick. 12. This is a private beach. 13. This is the end of the story. 14. My father is a generous man. 15. Garima is always punctual. Synonyms. Words that are similar in meaning with another word are called synonyms. Come, arrive. Reach, approach. Go, travel. Disappear, vanish. Run, escape. Rush, dash. Hide, cover. Mask, conceal. Get, obtain. Catch, acquire. Make, create. Form, construct. Break, smash. Crash, ban. Destroy, ruin. End, demolish. Fall, drop. Tumble, fall. Decide, choose. Determine, settle. Plan, plot. Scheme, way. Show, display, exhibit, present. End, stop. Finish, terminate. False, fake. Untrue, incorrect. Hot, warm. Fiery, feverish. Quite silent. Peaceful, tranquil. Strange, abnormal. Queer, rare. Look, gaze. See, glance. Tell, show. Declare, reveal. Angry, mad. Furious, enraged. Calm, quiet. Peaceful, still. Eager, keen. Fervent, enthusiastic. Fear, fright. Dread, terror. Hate, dislike. Disapprove, abhor. Awful, terrible. Dreadful, terrible. Crooked, bent. Zigzag, twisted. Dangerous, risky. Unsafe, hazardous. Boring, tiresome. Uninteresting, humdrum, boring. Stout, chubby. Plump, bulky. Distress, grief. Misfortune, pains, hideous, frightening. Unpleasant, repulsive. Incredible, amazing. Unbelievable, extraordinary. Courageous, fearless. Dauntless, daring. Bright, smart. Quick-witted, clever. Renowned, famous. Celebrated, distinguished. Funny, comical. Humorous, amusing. Remarkable, noteworthy. Distinguished, important. Mischievous, playful. Naughty, impish. Neat, clean. Orderly, well-kept. Popular, well-liked. Accepted, celebrated. Answer, reply. Respond, acknowledge. Vital, important. Necessary, important. In each row, identify the odd word out. 1. Quick, fast, slow, hastily. 2. Pleased, overjoyed, blissful, disappointed. 3. True. Devious. Dependable. Sincere. 4. Precise, inaccurate, erroneous, unsuitable. 5. Penchant, dilapidated, modern, ragged. 6. Unique, common, novel, recent. 7. Spacious, mammoth, ample, minuscule. 8. Commence, terminate, begin, initiate. 9. Attend, aid, skip, support. 10. Seize, select, acquire, lose. Prefixes. A is a letter or a prefix set of letters that are added before a word to change its meaning. Here is a list of prefixes with their meanings and examples. Co, with, co-worker, co-pilot. They, away from, defrost, derail. Dis, not disagree, disappear. M, cause to embrace, embed. N, put into, enclose, engulf. X, out of, exhale, export. Extra, beyond, extraordinary, extraterrestrial. 4. Before, forecast, forehead. Ill, not illegal, illiterate. I am, not impossible, impolite. In, not incorrect, inactive. In, into, inject, inside. IR, not irresponsible, irrelevant. Micro, small microscope, microfilm. Mid, middle, midfielder, midway. Mis, wrongly misbehave, misuse. Non, without, nonviolent, nonsense. Post, after, post-lunch, postpone. Pre, before, prefix, preschool. Re, again, reappear, refill. Semi, half semicircle, semi-final. Sub, under, submerge, subtitle. Tri, 3 triangle, tricycle. Un, not unable, unfriendly. Uni, 1 unicycle, unicorn. Circle the prefix in each of these words and write its meaning. Then, give 2 more examples using the prefix. Unicorn, tricycle, impolite, integrate, foresee, non-fiction, decent, reappear, unhealthy, mispronounce, prepaid, disorder, unicycle, semicircle, midway, inside, export, derail. Suffixes. A is a letter or a group suffix of letters that are added at the end of a word to change its meaning. Here is a list of suffixes with their meaning and examples. Able, able to, having the quality of comfortable, portable. Age, action, process, pilgrimage, relating to bacterial, comical. An, belonging to Indian, urban. Ans, quality of brilliance, reliance. Heir, a person who does something, driver, teacher. Fool, full of beautiful, grateful. Yaran, quality of western, southern. S, female hostess, lioness. Ike, having characteristics of comic, poetic. Ible, forming an adjective reversible, terrible. Illy, in what manner, airily, happily, lazily. Itty, state of activity. Ing, denoting an action, acting, showing. ISM, state or quality, heroism. IST, a person who does an action, artist, pianist. IV, quality of attractive, expensive. Less, without, not affected by, friendless, tireless. LY, in what manner, clearly, happily. Ness, denoting a state or condition, kindness, weakness. Or, a person who does something, sailor, actor. Os, full of humorous, wondrous. Phone, sound, homophone, telephone. Meant, action or process, placement, shipment. Ship, condition of friendship, championship. Cyan, state or quality, confusion, tension. Sum, characterized by quarrelsome, cumbersome. Tyan, state or quality, fascination, attention. Eth, state or quality, depth, length. Ular, relating to circular, cellular. Wards, in the direction of backwards, towards. Wise, in the direction of clockwise, lengthwise. Y, full of funny, messy. Add a suitable suffix to each of these words to make new words. 1. Remark. 2. Guitar. 3. Leader. 4. Brilliant. 5. Human. 6. Commit. 7. Heavy. 8. To collect. 9. Back. 10. Help. 11. Break. 12. Rain. 13. Sing. 14. Kapia. 15. Health. 16. Sad. 17. Person. 18. Celebrate. 19. Length. 20. Factor. 21. Happily. Dictionary skills. Read the definitions and select the correct definition of the highlighted word in each sentence. 1. The bus left 5 minutes ago. Left. A. On or towards the side of your body that is to the west when you are facing north. B. Past tense of leave. 2. Agra is situated on the banks of the Yamuna. Bank. A. A place where people can invest or borrow money. B. A sloping raised land, especially along the sides of a river. 3. Could you please ring for a taxi? Ring. A. A small circular band of precious metal that is worn on the finger. B. To call by telephone. 4. The bride and the groom walked gracefully down the aisle. Groom. A. A bridegroom. B. To brush and clean the coat of an animal. 5. She bolted suddenly. Bolt. A. A bar that slides into a socket to fasten a door or a window. B. To run away or move suddenly. 6. Do you have change for 2000? Change. A. To make different. B. Money in the form of coins rather than notes. 7. The balloon rose gently into the air. Rose. A. A flower with a pleasant smell. B. Past tense of rise. 8. She stamped her foot in anger. Stamp. A. Bring down one's foot heavily on the ground or on something on the ground. B. A small piece of paper with a picture that is stuck onto a letter or package before it is posted. Animals and their cries. We human beings are gifted with power of speech to express our feelings to others. We exchange information of different kinds with others through various languages. Just like us, animals also express themselves by producing different kinds of sound. Look at the verbs that indicate different sounds or cries that animals produce. Animals and their cries. Apes and monkeys gibber. Asses, donkeys bray. Bears growl. Birds chirp, tweeter. Bulls bellow. Cows moo low. Camels grunt. Cats mew purr. Dogs bark, growl. Ducks quack. Eagles scream. Elephants trumpet. Frogs croak. Geese gaggle. Goats bleat. Hens cackle. Horses neigh. Lions, tigers roar. Nightingales sing. Owls hoot, screech. Pigeons coo. Pigs grunt. Puppies yelp. Rabbits squeal. Snakes hiss. Match the animals given in column A with their cries in column B. Follow the example. Example: tiger roar. 1 frogs 2. Dogs 3. Snakes 4. Rabbits 5. Pigeons 6. Birds 7. Pigs 8. Horses 9. Goats 10. Owls